touch my hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today, excuse me, my kids that's making on stuff. If you guys saw my last video, you guys saw that I tried the silk roller thingy and it was a hot mess. It did not come out good. So I had to wear my hair in this ponytail. My hair is still blown out. And I'm going to go ahead and try to save this blowout and do a rod set. So I'm gonna keep my part down the middle and go ahead and do a rod set since I was planning on doing one anyway, and since that was a fail. You hear my kids in the background, just ignore them like I do. Hey, y'all be quiet, I'm trying to film. You heard what I said? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair and section it off, which I've already done, but section this bottom part off so I can get ready to actually curl my hair. The last time I did a rod set was, oh my God, it's been some years since I've done one. So let's just hope I know how to still roll. I'm going to use this Maui Moisture Flexible Hold Mousse, and then I have some gel here for my ends, just to make sure that they're secure. And I think this is 3 bags of rods that I have, so hopefully this is enough. I don't want to do them small, so hopefully me doing them kind of medium will help me out. I find it easy when I do rods to go ahead and open up all my rollers, so when I roll it, they'll be ready to go and have to just, you know, stop and doing this each time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up most of these and get started. All right, so I'm ready to go ahead and apply 2 pumps of mousse to this section here. Oh, this is probably too much. You don't want to soak your hair, you just want enough just to saturate it, but not too much to where your hair reverts back. So this is actually good. My hair didn't revert. And I always use a little bit of gel. I'm gonna use the pink, lustrous pink gel. This gel does really good in my wash and go. So I'm gonna apply some just to my ends here, and then I'm gonna take my rod, whoops, and I'm going to make sure that I secure my ends really well around, and then I'm going to do the twist and roll, I guess is what you call it, method here, and then just secure it. This gives me a more spiral curl. So I feel like I need to do it on this side to secure it better, because the other side it was hanging. Still hanging, okay. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm telling y'all, this is backwards. Aha! So you gotta secure it in the back, to your scalp. So that's how I get it to not fall like it was doing earlier. So let's keep going. So I'm going to just go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch all of this. I'm going to twist and roll the rest of my hair, and then I will. All right, y'all, let's see what these curls gonna do today. So I put the bonnet on it, and actually I didn't sleep that bad, so it was kind of comfortable. But let's see. Ooh, it's super promising. Babe, they already saw you. Come on. Frizzy. You see what I'm saying? Whenever you don't smooth the edges down, this part right here, and it's right in the front. out. So now it's the fun part, to separate, separate, separate. I'm going to start in the back and work my way up. This is the part that I hate the most. Oh, excuse my ashy elbows. Again, I've been washing myself this morning. This is the most tedious part of a not a washing though. What do you call this? A rod set is having to I'm gonna use this glossy. I love this stuff so much. To take my hair down. But it's the separation part and twirling it that's gonna be very time consuming. So I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair where it naturally separates and go like this. Guys, so here is the finished look of my rod set. Hold on. Alright guys, here's the finished look of my rod set. I absolutely love it. It's so big, full, bouncy. Just I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of hairspray on my hair just so it can have some hold. I'm pretty sure that by the time I get home this afternoon, it'll be a big frizz ball. If you guys enjoy watching me do a perm rod set on my hair, please be sure to thumbs up this video. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out. And y'all should be proud of me. I did something different than a wash and go, and it actually worked out in my favor. So I was showing you guys earlier how like some of my hair I did not wrap around the roller all the way, and I have some frizz here, so my ends are not smooth like they are here versus here. So just be careful if you do try this. Make sure you put enough gel on your edges, on your edges, on your tips, the ends of your hair, so you can be able to have smooth, you know, a defined super smooth one versus frizz back here. So alright, I'm gonna stop rambling. Again, so subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.